It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take a Batman me a come.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and welcome to another video. If you are a return subscriber, I want to say welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a new person watching my channel, I want to say hello. My name is Osa and I do beauty related videos, lifestyle videos, pretty much a little bit of everything. This is a different kind of intro for the video, but I'm really excited for this video because I am going to be doing a full face using my mom's makeup. Okay, so you guys already know this video is about to be popping like popcorn. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna head over to my mom's room and see what kind of makeup she has that we're gonna be working with today, because honestly my mom is the kind of person that her makeup is so simple. I feel like in my 22 years of life her makeup has pretty much stayed the same. Okay guys, let's go. Mom.
Yeah?
Where's your makeup?
Huh?
Where's your makeup?
Makeup?
Yeah.
What makeup?
Your makeup.
Why? You want to take my makeup?
I want to use your makeup for a video.
Why do you want to use my makeup for a video? Don't you have your own?
I know, but I want to do a makeup look where I use your makeup for my full face.
This is my makeup here.
Where's your makeup?
This is my makeup. This is my makeup.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Wow. So it's just this?
Yes. That's too much. I don't even use everything there. That's way too much.
Bruh.
Okay. So I am back with my mom's makeup. I asked her if this is all her makeup and she said that this is even too much. That this is even too much. Okay, so let's do a quick little unboxing here to see what we're working with. Okay, so she has this foundation, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. Okay, Mom. Okay, I see you. Okay, I see you. So yeah, this is a pretty good foundation. And she has it in the shade 570. And my mom's a little bit darker than me, so it might be like a shade dark, but we'll work with it. Okay, so the first thing she has is Huda Beauty. No way my mom has Huda Beauty. No way. Huda Beauty matte blush and eyeshadow. Not bad. Then she has this lip gloss from the brand called LA Colors. Okay. What is this? I think this is what she uses to apply her foundation. So a lipstick. She has a black eyebrow pencil, which I hope she's not using this for her brows because sis. Black eyeshadow from LA Colors. We have another sponge here. Mom, if you're watching this video, you need to stop this. Stop it. This should be illegal. Hi, just can't understand it. So concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. Oh, and it's finished. Oh my god. Oh my god. These brushes. Okay. Another one. She has a MAC powder. MAC is actually pretty good. Why is this shade rubbed off? Yeah, let me just put that down. She has a pen in here in case she needs to take notes while she's doing her makeup or something. I don't know. And then she has this really big jumbo eyeliner. It's dried up. She has this lipstick from Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Where's your primer?
My primer?
Yeah, primer.
I don't have.
So what do you put before your foundation on your face?
Nothing.
Okay. And what do you use to apply your foundation?
Sometimes I just use I don't know. Why? I use my God-given hand. That's it. That's all it is.
You use your God-given hands?
Yes, my finger. And it looks nice.
Okay.
My mom doesn't use primer, so I guess we're just gonna jump straight into the foundation. Do I really want to use this sponge? Foundation's a little bit red. You know what I look like? I literally look like I have paint on my face. I mean, this is the best blend we're gonna get out of this sponge, so I guess I'll just move on. Okay, so next I'm going to be using her concealer. She uses the shade Beautiful Bronze, the LA Pro concealers. Hopefully the concealer will help me correct this mess because I literally look like an Oompa Loompa. This sponge is doing absolutely nothing. The only thing this sponge is doing is absorbing the product I'm trying to blend out. But we'll make it work. Okay, so now that my concealer is blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and set it. She doesn't have any sort of translucent powder or loose powder, so I'm gonna go ahead with her MAC. Like I said, the shade is rubbed off. So is this thing even picking up product? Holy moly. I'm just realizing she doesn't have any sort of blending brush. Like, why are all her eyeshadow brushes flat brushes? Please tell me why they're all flat. How are you supposed to blend? I'm at the part where I'm doing my eyes. How do you put on your eyeshadow? Like, where's your blending brush?
My finger is everything.
Yeah, so I'm gonna attempt to use my finger then to do this look. How is that possible? Okay, so you just swipe like one color on your lid.
And then I just blend and blend and blend and blend it with my hand. Yeah. I don't have setting spray. I don't use it. What am I setting for? Nothing.
Okay, so I guess I'm gonna go in with one of her flat brushes, and I'm gonna be going to her Huda palette. And which color do I want to use? This like copper looking color. Okay, next I'm gonna go into this like shimmery black shade. I don't know, and I'm just gonna put in the corner of my eye using the same flat brush, and I'll see how that works. I'm gonna start from my lash line, and I'm gonna bring it up slowly. So she said that she uses her finger. Ghetto! This is ghetto! I'm trying to look for a brow pencil.
Oh my god.
Oh. If I was concealing my brows, I would usually go like a shade lighter than this. I feel like it's starting to come together. Okay, so the fact that I was able to do my brows with a pencil that was like basically done. Brows don't look that bad. So my mom doesn't have anything like bronzer, like blush, like highlighter. Okay, let me see if I can use this lipstick as a blush. This may or may not be a good decision, but we finna do it anyways. It's called Innovation. Aside from the fact that now my cheek is kind of sticky, it doesn't look that bad. All right, so now for the lips, I'm going to be using her lipstick. Of course, no setting spray, so I guess we're done. I don't think I did that bad considering the fact that A, we had like no brushes, B, we had like no products. This is the look. Comment down below what you think of the look and how I did. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Much love, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. So what do you think of this makeup?
It actually looks nice.
Really? I only use your products and what you had. Like, I couldn't touch any of my products to make this look.
You look cute.
I look cute.
Yeah, it looks nice. I think you look nice. You look nice in it.
Oh,
it's not
thank
too
you.
much.
Yeah, but it was a
really
struggle.
Nice. It's nice, to be honest.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was a struggle. Self-care is important because it allows you to take care of other people. Self-care is so important, and just the essence of making sure you're okay.